9 herbs for crystal clear vision after age 25. Many factors can affect your eye health and vision, such as aging, dry eyes, allergies, eye strain, and diseases. You can protect and improve your vision naturally by using some herbs that have benefits for your eyes. Here are 9 herbs that you can try. Eye Bright. This herb may help with eye infections, dry eyes, and diabetic eye problems. You can use it as eye drops, tea, or tincture. Ginkgo. This herb improves blood flow to the retina and may help with glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts. You can use it as extracts, capsules, or tea. Cullis. This herb contains forskolin, which lowers eye pressure and may be useful for glaucoma. You can use it as eye drops. Cannabis. This herb contains cannabinoids, which lower eye pressure in people with glaucoma. However, it has side effects and legal issues. You can use it by smoking, inhaling, ingesting, or using eye drops. Green tea. This herb contains antioxidants, which prevent oxidative damage to the eye and may protect against eye diseases. It also has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. You can use it as tea, extracts, or capsules. Bilberry. This herb is rich in anthocyanins, which enhance night vision and protect the retina from damage. It may help with cataracts, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. You can use it as extracts, supplements, or eye drops. Turmeric. This herb contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-angiogenic effects. It may help with uveitis, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. You can use it as a spice, a tea, or a supplement. Saffron. This herb contains crocin and quercetin, which improve visual function and protect the retina from light-induced damage. It may help with macular degeneration, glaucoma, and cataracts. You can use it as a food, a tea, or a supplement. Ginseng. This herb has adaptogenic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It may help with eye fatigue, dry eyes, and blurred vision. It also improves blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the eye. You can use it as a root, a tea, or a supplement.